The myAudi app is a convenient way to access and adjust many of the functions in your Audi e-tron. To get started, you'll need an Audi ID. Open the myAudi app and tap Get Started. To register, enter an email address and create a password. Accept the terms and conditions and complete your registration via the verification link that we've sent to your email address. Now log in using your new Audi ID and complete your personal information. You can now add your Audi to the myAudi app. Scroll down and select Add myAudi. If you have an Audi Connect activation card, tap the black button. Scan the outlined vehicle information on the back of your activation card. Point the camera so that all the information fits inside the white border. Your Audi has now been successfully added. In the next step, you'll verify your myAudi account so that you are the main user of your vehicle. Select Confirm Identity and enter your personal details. In order to use certain Audi Remote Connect services, such as locking and unlocking your Audi via the app, you'll need a PIN. Set this PIN now. Then choose a verification method from the drop-down menu to complete your myAudi account verification. Confirm that you accept the general terms and conditions and tap Verify. Follow the steps for your selected verification method. Your myAudi account has now been verified and you've accepted the general terms and conditions. You can now connect your myAudi account to your vehicle in order to set yourself as the main user of your vehicle and to use the available Remote Connect services. Press the User Management icon at the bottom left of the MMI and select Add User. Tap the first input field. A window will open. Select Go Online and enter your Audi ID. You've now been added to the list of users. Confirm the authorizations and select your preferences for language, online services, and data protection. During this step, you can also connect your smartphone to your Audi. Simply follow the instructions on the MMI. Your myAudi account is now connected to your vehicle, and you can use Audi Connect services via the myAudi app.